my first wish sa business, magkaroon ng empleyadong katulad ko.
So what's your hot take as a business owner?
Masarap maging empleyado. You don't have to think of operations, HR, of cash flow, but you don't get to have yung challenging moments that you'll know na, uy, kaya ko pala. You have to know which part of life you'd like to go to. I don't mean na you have to go to business or as an employee. Kung saan ka comfortable.
If a genie will give you 3 wishes, what would it be for your business?
Magkaroon ng empleyadong katulad ko. Magkaroon ng clients who will love us, di ba? Siyempre, ang hirap naman mag-promote ng client na hindi mo mahal. And then the last is making Digital Hug big. Siyempre, when Digital Hug is big, we'll get to help more businesses. Ang sarap sa feeling na kaya rin nakita namin lumaki, nakita namin yung sales nila, di ba?
So ano naman yung weirdest customer message na receive mo?
Marami kami nakuha weird messages. My most unforgettable was a mom asking kung bakit hindi first honor yung anak niya despite taking that brand, di ba? Paano ba namin sasagutin to? But yun, it happened. Ayan.